Hello all and welcome to Crochet Designs. My name is Mary, coming to you with the Australian Sheep and Wool Show surprise winner. Me. No, it's not me. Thank you firstly to those of you who entered the surprise. Look, I'm very grateful firstly for you to actually watch that video, let alone enter the surprise. If you haven't watched the video, go and watch it. It's a lot of fun. It's a bit silliness too. Not me, because I'm always the good one. And come back to us and watch the winner right here, right now. I'm going to announce the winner. But before I do, I just wanted to update you with the question again. The question was, what were my two favourite colours that I chose this year from the Australian Sheep and Wool Show? That doesn't mean that they're my favourite colours forever, because you know red is my favourite colours. My regulars would know. Oh, by the way, if you are joining us new, hit the subscribe button. You too could be a part of our surprises, which really means giveaways, but you know, we call them surprises to get rid of the nasties, yeah? You too can be a part of our, don't you love it, and get rid of those nasties. You can be a part of our giveaways. I'm sorry, let's try that again. Our surprises in the future. And my favourite colour, by the way, is actually red. But for the sheep show this year, I chose these two. And these were Maximoo Yarns, and one was Cocoon, and the other one was Dust Storm. And were they not, and still are, gorgeous colours. We're going to create something with these. But let's not talk about that. The question was, what were my two favourite colours? The answers were these two names here. Cocoon and Dust Storm. Cocoon and Dust Storm. Get it right, Mary. All right, it doesn't matter. As long as you said Cocoon and Dust Storm, you would be a winner. However, we're going to do a top-down view right now to see exactly what you are going to win. Alrighty guys, here we are. Let's talk about all the donations and the super chats that you've been giving me over the past 6 months, where it's led to. Now remember, everything you gave me, I popped half of it onto the Australian Sheep and Wool Show just for you. And we're going to talk about all of these items right now real quickly. First item we have is Tom from Tarndie's yarn, Tarn Worn Court, beautiful yarn, blue just for you. Like it? Blue just for you? And I'm rhyming. And then we have the beautiful Changeling Yarn. Guess what? I have one of these in stock as well for me from another time, but there you go. And then we have this gorgeous crochet bag. Don't you love it? It says, it's a good day to crochet. Yay. I'm sorry about that lighting right there. Let's just see if we can cover it up with that. All right. And over here we have the little sheep keyring. Don't you love him? Is he not gorgeous? And over here we have Fluff and Nonsense. Now, I purchased two of these, as you saw before. They were on special because they were limited stock. So one for me and one for you, just for fun. And this guy right here, as I mentioned before, you may or may not be able to see it, Sparkles yarn from Kathy's Fibre, very nice. Pair of scissors from Bendigo Woollen Mills, yay. Some buttons from the Button Ladies, and let's talk Bellevue Park yarn. Now, Bellevue Park yarn, the wonderful Jim has looked after me with some of his yarn. So this came free, and this came free with my purchase. So guess what? It's free to you. But this one, well, I had to pay for. But that's life. Anyway, this is his details. I don't really need them, but you know what? At the back of his details is, yay, a ruler. So you got yourself a spare ruler as well. Isn't it great? And now over here, I love this one, stuck right out to me. It's a beautiful shawl pin. I love it so much. And is this not gorgeous? This is a notepad with the pen and everything. So worth the money I spent on that. And also another shawl pin, but this is a little different. Game of Thrones, her name, oh, Game of Thrones. I do that to her all the time. She's Gamer Widow, not Game of Thrones. And it is a shawl pin, just like that one there. But with this one here, you're getting all the little stitch markers included as well. This is quite a pack. But you know, guys, I never do anything with surprises and giveaways and so on without, oh, sorry about that, just trying to grab it, this guy right here. The packet of Tim Tams, yay! Australia's famous biscuit. So there you go, guys. I can't even fit it in the frame. Let's go high up. There we go, as high as we can go. This is the surprise just for you. Ta-da! Very exciting. Did I scare you? Very excited. Did I scare you? Very exciting. They are the beautiful prizes. Don't you love those Tim Tams? We won't talk about them. Firstly, thank you very much for joining us. We're going to head over now to the computer and we're going to do a little tracker thing. Oh, by the way, I found my old YouTube tracker spinner thing that wasn't working. That's working now. Don't you love it? And we're going to use that one again. It's just filled with ads. Sorry about that. But we're going to use that to do the winner. I'm not going to pull names out of a hat like I usually do. It takes way too long and I don't have the time. I don't have the time. Oh, by the way, the reason I don't have the time is because we are currently in the process of creating this gorgeous scrap sweater. Now, guys, if you haven't started, you haven't lost much. All you've lost is part one where I show you how to change colors if you want to use threads, or the Russian join if you don't want to worry about threads at the back. Okay, I'll show you how to do that, but you must do the gauge swatch, absolute must do the gauge swatch before starting this. Now we have done part one, which was the gauge swatch. Go ahead and do that now, and this time tomorrow night you will see part two of our scrap sweater. Keep your eyes peeled for that. And of course, you guys know we've been creating our annual project, the Illusionize Me blanket. Check it out. You can start to see the illusional effect almost completely. Get the word? Get it? Almost completely? Yeah, not really. All right, so now what we're going to do, I don't know why I showed you that, just to let you know that we're going to be very busy, and I'm very busy, and I don't have time to write 30,000, whatever it is, names down. There's not that many. We're going to head over to, she's very naughty, to the computer now and choose our winner for the Australian Sheep and Wool Show surprise. Good luck all. Alrighty guys, I found another little app here that shows you how to do the surprise spinner thing. Let's pop the link in first for starters. I hope I'm not yelling in the camera, guys, because I'm right up against that camera. Right up against the frame. Okay, add comment replies, filter duplicate users. Yes, that's what we want. Not too worried about anything else. No, we got to answer a question right here. We have to answer that question. 21 plus 15. Why do they have to make it so difficult? 31, 36. She failed maths, guys. All right, no, I'm not that bad. Get the comments. We're just getting the comments at this stage. Beautiful. There are 34 comments. Gorgeous. And then we're going to come down here a little bit. Oh, hang on. Where is it? No, we've got to keep coming down. Alrighty, guys. I'm just playing with this because look at all these ads. I'm trying to hide the ads, yeah? All right. Are we ready? 3, 2, and 1. And the winner is... Oh, I better bring it up a bit. Anna Bathen. Anna, I can't say your last name. Anna, congratulations. You are the winner. Oh, well, I don't know yet. Let's read the answer. Dust Storm and Cocoon. Love, love, love. I would have chosen those colours too. Oh, yeah, I did. You're hilarious, Anna. You are our winner today. Yay, Anna. Thank you, Anna, and congratulations once again for entering our surprise. To contact me, I'm so excited, to contact me, you must message me on either Instagram, private message by the way, your details privately, via Instagram Messenger or Facebook Messenger, either way, DM, Messenger, whatever it is you've got, message me and we can talk about how you're going to get your gear. Thank you very much for joining us. Don't forget, guys, if you want to be a part of our surprises, you must be a subscriber to enter. That's a must. And also, you must be in it to win it, really. We have surprises all the time. It has been a while. Now we're back in gear again. And what can I say? That's about it. Thank you. Congratulations once again, Anna. I will see you all soon. My name is Mary. This is Crochet Designs. And ciao for now. Try to be good. Bye all. So what are we going to make with our yarns? Let's see. We can make